Top 10 cheapest vintage cars. Number 1. Ford Custom 1949. Sitting in its simplified glory, we have a faded, rusted, and delaminated grille, complete with a turbine-style central V8 moniker. Worn, faded, cracked, and chipping pale yellow paint covers the body, and extensive invasive rust is noted on all panel. A few of the pieces of chrome trim spear remain just below the belt line and have seen better days. Black wall tires are on all four corners and are mounted to standard steel wheels. The top, even in the lowered position, shows as severely degraded with aqua-painted framing. Lifting the hood reveals a blank canvas of an engine bay. The engine and transmission are long gone, and we are left with steel for the framing, suspension, and inner fenders. A 3.78 geared rear axle is still at the tail end of the car. Number 2. Hillman Minx 1948. You are looking at a 1948 Hillman Minx convertible. This is a really nice project car that comes with a lot of parts to build it with, new glass, and much more. The frame has been built to Pro Street specs. It has a narrowed 9-inch Ford rear end with weld wheels. The car is almost ready to paint. It will make an awesome ride when completed. It has SV6 Chevy engine setting under the hood. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot. Number 3. Pontiac Grand Prix 1962. 62 Pontiac Grand Prix. Clear title. Not running. Looks like older rebuilt motor. Does not turn over. Has power windows. Factory AC vents. Fairly good-looking body. Some small spots of lower rust starting. Most of floors are pretty good, but will need some patching. Has set of 8-bolt wheels to go with. I have another front hub not pictured. I have the front bumper for it. Will probably be missing some trim pieces. Original color was dark blue. Number 4. Packard Ambulance 1949. '49 Packard Ambulance. Clear title. Straight 8. Not running. We had the motor spinning over with a battery. PW. Some lower rust out starting, but not bad. Has been stored inside much of its life. Will make a great project. $4,500. Number 5. GMC 1-ton flatbed 1971. 1971 GMC 1-ton flatbed. Has the 6-cylinder engine. Was told by the previous owner that this truck runs and drives. We haven't started it. The flatbed has the most of the rust. The cab and front clip have minimal rust from what I could see. Overall, a really decent start to a nice truck. No title. Asking $4,500. Located in Thief River Falls, MN. Number 6. Buick Skylock, 1968. 68 Buick Skylock convertible, clear title. Has a good running 455 under the hood. Not hooked up, not drivable. Has some lower rear quarter rust out that needs patches. Fair floors, but will need a few smaller patches. Trunk floor will need some patches. Excellent project convertible, $4,500. Number 7. International Harvester, 1975. 1975 International Harvester, 150 with the original 304 motor. Everything is original except for the gas tank, which is currently located in the bed of the truck. It's a 3 on the tree. PRO's truck starts and runs great. No motor problems whatsoever. Strong. CONs, it's an old truck and there's plenty of body rust. Dent in grille and hood would make a great rat rod. Number 8. Mercury Cougar, 1970. For consignment, a consignor stated a barn find and rust-free shell of a 1970 Mercury Cougar. If you have a Cougar with rust, then this roller could be a match made in heaven. Found in Kansas, it has no interior, no trimmings and no engine. Just the body, and the consignor states that the convertible top mechanism is believed to be all there. Also, in the trunk is the heater and a /C unit, which seems to be all there. But you'll have to give it the once over.